Hi, good evening, everyone. What you can see right now is Belvedere Golf and Country Club from Adani Shantigram, Ahmedabad. I am thankful to Amul to give us such a wonderful opportunity to showcase ourselves on this platform. Belvedere Golf and Country Club, Adani Shantigram, is Adani's first premium sports club which is located near SG Highway. What do we have in our club is we have got a 70-acre golf course. We have got complete all sport facilities. हमारे पास में एंटरटेनमेंट विंग है, थिएटर्स है, वी हैव गॉट गेमिंग जोन्स, वर्चुअल गेम्स. अपार्ट फ्रॉम दिस we also have got 55 luxurious rooms along with banqueting facilities and wonderful specialty restaurants. What we are going to do here today is we are going to present you with a fantastic recipe which you can cook at home, presented by our executive chef, Chef Rezi Gomes. Handing over it to Chef Rezi Gomes. So Chef Rezi Gomes, you're live.
नमस्कार, मैं शेफ रेजी गोम, एग्जीक्यूटिव शेफ बेलवेडेर गोल्फ एंड कंट्री क्लब से बोल रहा हूँ। आज अमूल ने हमें एक प्लेटफॉर्म दिया है शोकेस करने के लिए, जिसमें मैंने सब अमूल का प्रोडक्ट यूज किया हुआ है और सिंपल सा एक आसान सा डिश है जिसका नाम है कॉटेज चीज एंड बीटरूट ग्रेवी। मेरे साथ मुझको इस रेसिपी में हेल्प करने के लिए शेफ अभिषेक, जो मेरे सूप शेफ है, वो आज इस डिश को बनाने वाले हैं। इसका नाम है कॉटेज चीज इन बीटरूट ग्रेवी।
नमस्कार एवरीवन।
सो शेफ, हम शुरू करते हैं।
Let's see the ingredient first. We will be having this cumin. We have cardamom. We have this bay leaf, and these are the dry. We have the whole spices, and apart from that, we have there is some red chili powder. We have kitchen king masala, and we have coriander powder also. Apart from this, we have onion, chopped onion, tomatoes, chopped ginger. We have chopped garlic, and we have a beetroot juice also. And apart from this, we have butter, and we are using some Amul products, which is like fresh cream, Amul paneer, and Amul butter, and Amul desi ghee. So these are the basic ingredient which we are using, and it is easily available at home. So let's start, guys. First, I'm gonna just fry the cottage cheese with the desi ghee. So I'll take one and a half spoon of desi ghee in this.
तो शेफ, हमारे अभी देसी घी इसमें डाला है। अब पनीर को इसमें वो फ्राई करेंगे, थोड़ा सा शैलो फ्राई करके और फिर प्लेट में उठा देंगे।
And for this is basically a unique gravy, and as you see, lot of people, try something new nowadays. So this gravy basically with the help of beetroot. So this is a unique gravy, and you'll see a lot of things which is here is common, but the touch, the new thing which we are using is beetroot. So as you see, so there is we have cottage cheese also. So as you see, the pan is preheated now. So I'm gonna just add cottage cheese in this. I just need the color on the top, on the cottage cheese. That's why we are doing this. Once it's get a golden color or a golden crust, you can remove that. And side by side, we need to make a gravy of this also. So once this is going to be done, then I'll start with the gravy part. So Chef, I just wanted to know, this is a very unique idea. So just please try to tell ये idea कहाँ से आया था gravy का? I mean like beetroot gravy.
बीटरूट ग्रेवी मैंने जो किया है तो कि इसमें हमने टमाटोज और ये मतलब थोड़ा सा हेल्दी ऑप्शन के साइड में मैंने सोचा कि बीटरूट अपना हेल्दी है, तो प्यूरी करके अगर मैं उसमें ग्रेवी में अगर ऐड करता हूँ तो एक कैसा निकलता है, कैसा टेस्ट आता है इसमें। तो फिर इसको मैंने ट्राई किया, तो ट्राई करने के बाद ये एकदम मतलब जैसा मेरे को चाहिए था और लोगों को भी पसंद आएगा, ये श्योर है मुझे। तो आप एक बार ट्राई करके देखना जैसे शेफ बना रहा है। तो आपको अच्छा लगेगा ये।
And we have tried this earlier also, and we get a very good feedback as well. So, if you have any queries or question, you can ask anytime.
तो जैसे कि आप देख रहे हो क्वांटिटी हमारा शैलो फ्राई हो गया है, हल्का सा कलर आ गया है इसमें। तो अभी शेफ इसको प्लेट में निकालेंगे।
I think this will be required.
लाइक ऐसे इसमें शैलो फ्राई किया है, तो सेम ऐसे टेक्सचर में आप कलर में इसको लेके आना।
So now we're gonna start with the gravy part. I'm gonna use the mustard oil in this. So I have to take 2 spoons of mustard oil, and I just want कि जो इसका कच्चेपन का खुशबू होता है वो I just want to remove that. I mean, तो इसको थोड़ा पहले हीट करेंगे। हीट करने के बाद जो इसका कच्चापन का खुशबू रहता है वो रिमूव हो जाएगा ऑलरेडी। Then we gonna add the whole spices in this. So एक मस्टर्ड ऑयल के अंदर you will get a lot of जो एक टेस्ट उसके अंदर आता है मस्टर्ड ऑयल से when you are cooking. So you get a very nice aroma in that. The mustard oil is done. Now I'm gonna add some spices in this. It's very hot. While adding the spices, you need to be very careful because if you add it at this time, it might get burnt.
तो सबसे पहले हम इसमें
We're gonna add cumin, whole cumin in this, and 2 or 3 cardamom, 1 bay leaf. Then we're gonna add some onion in this, and some garlic and ginger. All together you can add because after that we have to blend it. Some ginger in this, and now we have to saute it. If you want to add some cinnamon powder also, you can add cinnamon powder. Once you see the onion is a little bit brown, a translucent form, then you can add the tomatoes in this. It's nearby 2 or 3 tomatoes. Now we have to saute it for a while until the tomato cooks, and on the same time I have to add a beetroot in this. I just want to give you the exact quantity. If you are using half kg of tomatoes, you can add one piece of beetroot in there. So now we're going to add some water, or you can add some stock water in this also. So I'm going to use some water in this. So our purpose is to cook the beetroot and tomatoes, then we're going to grind it. You can add beetroot juice also. So beetroot juice, we have made this beetroot juice with we blanch the beetroot first, and then we add, we grind it properly, and then we extract the juice from that. So if you have any queries, you can ask anytime.
तो क्या हो गया अपना इसमें सौते?
Yes.
अब हम इसको प्यूरे करेंगे।
Yes, exactly. But puri bhi, we have to wait it. I mean, like we have to wait at least half an hour. We have to keep it on you can say in a refrigerator so that it will get cold. Then we're gonna grind it.
मतलब बेसिकली थोड़ा सा ये मिक्सचर को जो बनाया है इसको थोड़ा सा ठंडा हो जाए, ठंडा होने के बाद ही आप मिक्सी में इसको प्यूरी करें, वरना कि गरम गरम अगर हम करेंगे तो छींटा आने का डर है, तो इसलिए कोई ठंडा होने के बाद फिर आप इसको प्यूरी करेंगे.
Now, as you see, this is almost done. This is this kind of consistency we required, and now we have to grind it. So we have already make a paste. I mean, like we have already done that. This is the way it gonna come out after grinding this, and now I'm gonna use this. See, the consistency should be not so thin or not so thick. It has to be. It has to be in a you can say a little bit thick, thoda gada gravy. So that gonna be required. So once this gravy is done, so now we're gonna add some the ground spices. That is, we have a red chili powder. So I'm gonna add some red chili powder in this.
स्पाइसेस लेवल आपके ऊपर है, अगर आपको ज़्यादा स्पाइसी चाहिए या कम चाहिए तो आप अपने हिसाब से आप डाल सकते हैं.
I'm gonna add some little bit kitchen king and coriander powder and fennel powder. This fennel powder is must because this gives a very good aroma in this. And I'm gonna add a sont powder, that is a ginger powder basically. This is also. So after this we're gonna add some salt in this also. Salt to taste. So जैसे कि आप देख रहे हैं, gravy is almost done. We have to cook it for at least 5 to 7 minutes so that the spices will cook.
अब हम उसमें क्वांटिटीज जो हमने शैलो फ्राई करके उठा लिया है वो इसमें ऐड करेंगे.
So this recipe is basically you can try at home, as during this lockdown there are a lot of things which are not available. As you see, people are not able to go outside restaurant, so you can try at home and you will definitely have a restaurant feel. I must say you must try this, and you're gonna love this because this is something new. You're gonna have something new at home.
थोड़ा सा इसमें रिफ्रेश बनाने का थोड़ा सा हल्का सा.
Yes, definitely. This is the time when we can add a little bit cream in this, and we can add a little bit butter in this also. So this is the gravy. It's already ready. Now, with this we can serve with this with the rice also as well as paratha also. So right now we are doing the ghee rice, and the combination ghee rice with this gravy, it's awesome. You can try at home.
अब हम इसकी प्लेटिंग करेंगे.
So this is ghee rice. This is basically we have already done that. So now we're gonna add the gravy part.
जैसे कि हमने इसमें घी राइस बना दिया है, तो घी राइस अपना नॉर्मली ही अपने जैसे पैन लिया, पैन में अमूल घी, थोड़ा सा राइस उसमें डालने का और हल्का सा नमक डाल के उसको थोड़ा सा सौते करने का। सौते करके हमने राइस जो है हमारा प्रिपेयर किया हुआ हमने पहले से ही, तो अभी उसकी प्लेटिंग हो रही है। फ्रेश करेंगे।
So this is basically the cottage cheese beetroot gravy, and you can add some more gravy if someone likes the gravy part.
सो ये हमारा कॉटेज चीज़ इन बीटरूट ग्रेवी रेडी हो गया है। आशा करता हूँ कि आप लोग को ये रेसिपी पसंद आए और अपना कमेंट फीडबैक ज़रूर देना कि डिश कैसा है कैसा नहीं है।
Thank you very much, chef. Thank you, Belvedere Golf and Country Club. Do visit Belvedere Golf and Country Club. Thank you.